I always try to make up excuses for when they actually are doing good, so that I'm not wrong when I say that.
Fuck you, Zell.
Baby.
2, 1.
DK's try and help Pope grip those security guards out.
Those guys are so annoying.
Someone drop one more bomb on the left, we'll be on the right, okay? Okay, range on the left, bellow.
Alright, well.
Yeah. All range on the left bellow. Boxes up. Alright, move. Ranged.
Return. Don't drop more bombs, don't drop more bombs. We need to kill Felsquare first. The left bellow is up again.
He's in the shield.
Ranged. Move over to the left bellow.
Are we dropping bombs on right bellow or no? Oh, never mind.
I misdirected the bellow. Alright, cleave it up, guys.
What? I wasn't even close.
Where are you guys? Andrew.
We're on skull, right?
Yeah, skull.
All these under there still. We can't have bombs going right now.
You're on primal now, I guess.
Doing fine, guys.
Revival on 30.
Healing time is up.
20 seconds to make that primal. Get your single target district damage on it.
Oh, the primal death
Nice.
quick with that.
Here we go.
That was close. And move
I have
your
a guard.
swords over to the X. Try and get those fire collars. Blast is coming. Alright, move the swag. Big dick damage on the X primal. Oh, target hard nuke on the X primal. Good job,
Nice.
guys. Alright, get all those slags. There's fire collars up. There's a slag that's too far away from the primal. Got one fire collar up.
Five up.
Whew.
Primal. Hard nuke on the primal.
Why do we start on the first one?
It was closer to where everybody was with tanks. Hard nuke on that skull primal.
One minute on healing time.
Good
Nice.
job, last primal. Oh, that's it? I don't count. There's one more primal. They're blue.
I must be careful.
Right, fixate them all onto the primal. Fire collar first. There's two of them.
No.
Nuke
Healing time
skull.
up in 10 seconds.
Nuke skull. He's weak.
Big dick damage.
There you go.
Come on.
Should interrupt that fire collar. Execute rage on the primal.
Go, go, go.
Excellent job, guys.
Nice.
Kill ads quickly.
Bailey, be careful. Hold the heart.
Still a fire collar up.
Healing time.
Live 140.
Still adds up, guys. Watch the melts.
You keep getting ads, so you gotta do both.
Alright, nuke the boss. Just to kill that last security guard creeping down.
We got hero in 2 minutes.
Yeah. If you haven't burned your second pot, save it for the hero. Big heals on Sari. %. We're looking great, guys.
Let's rally.
Big heals on Pope.
Watch it up. No, we're running out of room. 49 seconds
Five
to
low.
zero. Everyone stack close over here where the last melt was, so we get melt there. Stack up.
Hero in 30.
We might get it right at 6. At like 0%. Oh, this is gonna feel so good. Hero in 13. Hero coming up. Pot, everything. Everything. Give me that big dick damage, guys. Not one. Ah! Burn his ass to the ground. Winner, winner,
Oh my
chicken
God.
dinner!
Yes.
Good fucking job, guys. Good.
Guys,
Yeah.
seriously.
Perseverance. Nice perseverance.
Alright, let's
Roll
take
36, go!
Fuck you, Zell.
Ooh, there's a bow. There's a bow.
My
That
boots.
trick
Trank legs. Boots.
Then feet, though.
we'll
Yep.
do loot and then we'll do the screenshot.
Alright.
That spirit trinket, though. Oh my
Screenshot. 3, 2,